I, Syed Mahasib Ali of Information Technology and ISL Engineering College, bearing with registration number 160516737019. I'm here to speak about my major project topic, a secure client-side deduplication scheme in cloud storage environment. These are the outlines of my project. PPT. Abstract, deduplication, objective, existing system, problems in existing system, proposed system, advantages of proposed system, hardware requirements, software requirements, algorithms, modules, output screen, conclusion, and comes to abstract. In recent years, we have witnessed the trend of leveraging cloud-based services for large-scale content storage, processing, and distribution. Security and privacy are among the top concerns for the public cloud environment. Towards this security challenges, we proposed and implement a new client-side deduplication scheme for securely storing and sharing outsourced data via public cloud. The originality of our proposal is twofold. First is to ensure the confidentiality towards unauthorized users. Second, by integrating the access rights in metadata file. An unauthorized user can decipher an encrypted file with his private key. What is deduplication? In computing, deduplication is a technique of eliminating duplicate copies of repeated data. This technique is used to improve storage utilization and can also be applied to the network data transfers to reduce the number of bytes that must be sent. The main objective of our project is providing secure client-side deduplication for cloud storage using AES and convergent algorithms. Here is the existing system for saving resources consumptions in both network bandwidth and storage capacities. Many cloud services, namely Dropbox, apply client-side deduplication. Existing deduplication can make it easy for outsiders to know what already on storage servers. What exactly the problem was there in an existing system is one critical challenge of cloud storage service is the management of ever increasing data, increasing of duplicate data in cloud storage, and it increases the size of occupation of increased bandwidth. Here we proposed the use of convergent encryption, that is deriving the keys from the hash of the plain text and the security models for the secure data deduplication, pointed out some security problems and presented a security model for a secure data deduplication. However, these two protocols focus on server-side deduplication and do not consider data leakage setting against malicious users. Advantages of the proposed system: data confidentiality. In our model, we propose to outsource encrypted data to remote storage servers to prevent the unauthorized access of data and make sure that only the user who has the permission can access the data. Privacy. Based on cryptographic solution to keep data content secret like sensitive information, storage and whereabouts of our data storage have to be secured from unauthorized users to prevent the data leak or malicious activities. Access control. Access control is generally a policy or a procedure that allows, denies, or restricts access to the system. Our client-side deduplication proposal provides forward and backward secrecy of outside outsourced data to be controlled by a list of specific users. Cloud data backup. At its most basic level, cloud backup allows organizations and individuals to store the data from their computers into the cloud. The data backup process starts when the data owner requests for retrieving the data previously stored in the cloud. Here are the hardwares which we have used: processor, Intel i3, speed of 1 GHz, RAM 2 GB, and hard disk of 80 GB. Here is the software requirements: operating system Windows 7 32-bit and above. Languages: Java, JSP, Servlets, Apache Tomcat server I have used. We need an internet connection for this one, and the browsers such as modern Firefox or in Chrome. Algorithms we used: AES, Advanced Encryption Standards, Convergent Algorithm, and hashing. Here is a scenario of AES and Advanced Encryption Standards. Here we produced 128-bit plain text has been given to the rounds of encryption, pre-round and transformation. We as the round in round 1 and round 2, then so on, it turns and round to make an ciphertext. The key is being produced as a checksum value. So at the end, at the round end R, it gives 128-bit ciphertext. Ciphertexts are respectively given as size of 128, 192, or 256 bits. Convergent encryption. How exactly the convergent encryption works is, as we have given D is equals to hello world. Encryption with HT. We are getting the ciphertext. We are converting this plain text hello world into the ciphertext using the convergent encryption algorithm. Here is the user modules use case diagrams, where user can access application through internet, log generator, and log monitor, whereas client can access log generator, security, download, upload, delete, and log monitor as well. Here is the sequence how exactly the output runs. User first it logins to the site server and it connects to the server, request to the resource, request, then server get resources, client get monitorized, analysis on its set monitor. This is how the activity goes step by step. This is the activity actual having been provided in our system. This is the collaboration diagram. As we have seen that 7 phases of this process completely means our project. Here are 4 modules which are very important, that are user module, client module, CSP module, deduplication module. Modules, these are the description of the module. Here comes on to user module. In this module, users should register the details and get the secret key for login, and user can download the client's uploaded files. The users are able to access the content stored in the cloud. Client module. In this module, a client makes use of providers' resources to store, retrieve, and share data with multiple users. A client can be either an individual or an enterprise. Then comes to CSP module. In this module, CSP can view all the user details, client upload details, client details, and client activities regarding the a secure client-side deduplication scheme and cloud storage environment. Deduplication module. In this module, the client uploaded files can be stored in the cloud database. It can be very secure. Clients can view the file from the database based on deduplication factor. It can be very secure. Here is the output screen. How the user get registered. First, he have to give his name, email ID, number and set password. Then click on the registration button as he will get the permission from the admin or here. If you have already been registered onto the server, you will be getting username and password for the login. This is the home page and this is about us. Here then comes to the conclusion, the growing need for secure cloud storage services and the attractive properties of convergent cryptography leads to the combine them, thus defining an innovation solutions to the data outsourcing, security and efficiency. Our solution is based on cryptographic usage of symmetric encryption used for enciphering the data file and symmetric encryption for metadata files due to the highest sensitivity of this information towards several institutions. These are the references we have gone through for the completion of our project. These are some of the references which has guided us very serious and we have made the references very clear on here. Thank you.